It's a bit special here because you have to enter on the south part of the park where there's no animals. So you can't, even if you come here early, you're gonna go to the north. It's gonna take 3 hours.
Yeah, we didn't know that. But you should do the boat trip, the first thing you do, and then you can drive the whole way to the north.
To the north.
And then you can exit from there.
Yeah.
So you can exit, but you can't enter from the north.
Exactly. But there were some really cool, you get close. Oh, there's a hippo there.
Oh my God. Skynda dig.
It was right there. Jesus.
Could have been killed by a hippo there.
Yeah,
No, but we went really close to a giraffe, which was super cool. That's one of my favorite animals, so it was super nice.
There's a lot of zebras and a lot of
and then we saw a lot of
impalas.
lions as well.
Lions as well, yeah.
It was like 5, 6, 7 of them. That was amazing as well. So it's still good. Like if you haven't done the safari, you should definitely do it. But if you're only gonna do it once, do it in Serengeti or Masai Mara.
Yeah, Kenya, Tanzania, definitely. But let's see. Yeah, let's go.
It has some scratches. Maybe it has some wounds.
It's because of it's dry?
They fight.
It's okay.
Wow.
Oh. This guy is tall.
He's not gonna move.
This guy is tall.
Wow. There's the giraffe.
It's here. So tall. It looks so funny.
Why are they shaking like this all the time?
It's because
The zebra. Is it for the insects?
Yes, the bugs. Fish likes where there are hippos. You know what the hippo poo is responsible for making the planktons. Yes.
And the crocodiles.
And planktons is the food for fish.
And
Oh, there's some big ones you see underneath.
but are the crocodile eating the fish?
Yes, they do.
Okay.
So we're gonna try out the riverboat cruise. Hopefully we'll see some
Hippos?
hippos and crocodiles. Let's see.
We already seen
Yeah,
them already. But
we're supposed to be sunset. I think it's a bit too early. Let's see. En liten brygga här.
About a DB Marie.
So the crocodiles normally you have in Akagera National Park, we call them Nile crocodiles. They stay in water in daytime, as I said. So also in the night, in daytime is when they get out just for the sun. So the
Ouais.
oh, it's a small one as well. A tiny.
When you catch a baby, you get it.
Why are they doing that?
You know, they get their twisted fly. So you powers, so you know, when you eat stuff, to scare away the twisted fly.
Ah.
Vad är skylten?